This quick tutorial is meant to show how to use the mail merge within Graderworks. So this assumes you've done the previous video that showed how to do the basic analysis from this tutorial online, the simple example where we analyzed these parts and they are already on my computer. So I'm going to launch Graderworks. The first thing I want to do is go to my assignment manager. I'm going to look at my assignments. Here's the assignment we made last time, example test 1. Graderworks saves all the data onto a database on your computer, so it's able to remember previous assignments you've analyzed. Next, we're going to go to the rubric and grading manager. You can see here's our rubric from last time and our the solution to A10. I'm going to go to the fourth tab here, the mail merge rubric and student information. What I need to do is associate a student username with an email address. So in order to do that, I'm going to export the student information. So I'm going to come here, click Export Student Information. I'm going to export it into wherever I want on my computer. In this case, this is the folder we used last time. Let's click Save. Then I need to go and open that file. So that file is right here. I'm going to click open it in Excel. Okay, so these are the usernames that Graderworks has extracted previously. And now I need to tell it what the email address is that goes with this username. So often at a school, the email address is just going to be the username at yourschool.com. So let's try that. I'm going to say this is equal to this value and myschool.edu at myschool.edu. I'm just going to pull this down. Okay. Now I'm going to save it. This is going to save it as a CSV file, which means the formula I just made is going to be lost, which is fine. I'm going to close it. Now I'm going to come back to Graderworks and I need to import that file. Now it's important that you close the Excel file, or you close Excel, otherwise Graderworks won't be able to read the file because it's already opened by another application. I'm going to click Import. I'm going to browse to that the save student info.csv, click Open. Then you can see in the main window it says finished updating student information, which is exactly what we want. I'm going to close this now. Because we already analyzed the data in the previous video, I don't need to reanalyze it. I can say reanalyze and export existing saved data. So I'm going to click that. So it's going to recalculate the grades and also recreate the mail merge. So I'm going to click on mail merge. I'm going to click yes. I'm going to go to the mailings tab. I can toggle the preview results to see the field codes, and now you can see APG here is email address is apg@myschool.edu. Okay, so now Graderworks knows which username goes with which email address. I could have also put like the first name and last name, and that could help me personalize this email that I'm going to send in a few minutes. Now, in order for this to work, I need to have Outlook installed on my computer and have it configured properly. Once I'm satisfied with how this rubric looks and I want to email it to my students, then I'm going to go to send email messages. But before that, let me just show you how you can customize it. I could say your grade for a assignment 10. Maybe I'll center this, make it look bigger just to make it look a little customized. So this is the email that will be sent to the student. I'm going to go back to mailings now, go to finish and merge, send email messages. The field code M1 is the email address. The subject line I want for the emails to be your A10 grade And then I'm going to click OK. The first record doesn't have a valid email address because the email address is email. So that's what this is saying. I just click cancel. It'll be fine. You can see I looped through all of those filled out rubrics. If I go to Outlook. Okay, so here's Outlook. Here's my inbox. I want to go and look at my outbox. It's over here. Click on outbox. All right, so this is being sent to morris@myschool.edu. You can see it's the filled out rubric that shows his total grade and how he was scored on each individual item within the rubric item. And that's how you can use the mail merge feature within Graderworks.